Excuse me, I'm allergic to this. Lamar Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you. Lamar Wilson here, back for another video, back for another showcase of a product. This is part 2 of the Fortnite series because this is holiday time and people want to give things like this as a gift. So my job is to showcase it. If you like Fortnite, or if you have somebody who might like Fortnite, this might be for them. If it's not for you, that's okay. There are other videos. So here we go. This is Monopoly Fortnite. Battle your opponents and avoid the storm. You can claim locations, battle opponents, and avoid the storm to survive and win. You can choose from 27 outfits as far as characters. Use loot chest items and the action die to battle your opponents. Oh, that's interesting. The action die lets you pick up health packs, build walls, and damage your opponents, while loot chest cards give you the epic items to make those actions even more powerful. Avoid the storm. Unleash the storm when you pass go. Avoid it or lose HP. Okay, that's a nice variation to the pass go, collect $200. I see you. And there you see the board. I'm gonna give you a better look at the board because we're gonna go ahead and just open this up. Okay, so I can see right now they're really serious about this whole building thing. You pretty much have to put this whole thing together. They have stickers for the action die. You have to make the characters like, you know, they're cardboard. They're not like the metallic ones we're used to. But you know, okay. I've never seen the board, so I'm actually kind of excited. Holy crap, okay. Collect 2 HP Storm, Paradise Palms, Dusty Divot, Tomato Town, Snobby Shores, Viking Village, Retail Row, Lonely Lodge, Pleasant Park, Plush Factory, Wailing Woods, Salty Springs, Haunted Hills, Greasy Grove, Loot Lake, Lazy Links, and Tilted Towers. So Tilted Towers is like the boardwalk. That is kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna take a couple of these out just so I can see how the players look. So again, they're cardboard. There's nothing really fancy here, but you know, this thing is like 15 bucks and you'll make your kid happy even if they play it twice before they flip the board and go back to the video game. Okay, so there we go. We got one of the characters right there. Hello, I might have to talk to her later. Oh, her too. So I've already taken out 2 of the characters as you saw, but here we have the characters right there and down below. You get a lot of choices. You could have more than 4 people play this, even though I think probably should just be 4 people playing. Each player in the game starts with 15. Hey, I'll just show this to you. They start with 15 HP, so you have to kind of already have these out. Again, all of this is cardboard. Just keep that in mind. All right, and they also have wall cards that you punch out and stand up. So I guess if you need to build a, I get it. If you need to build a wall. All right, the action die is empty. They could have literally put these stickers on, but let's have the kids do it. This is fun. There's the die, looking cool, and I got all the sides ready to go. All right, so here are some of the properties, at least as far as the cards go. So let's look at Dusty Divot. When another player lands on this location, they must pay 1 HP to the bank. So remember, you start out with 15 HPs. This is your money, and then you have to pay it to the bank if you land on it. Why don't you pay it to the person? Excuse me, I'm allergic to this. And they have a rule in here, you can never have more than 15 HP. So if you have 15 HP, any action requires you to collect more. Do not collect any. Look, we're gonna do like we did in the hood. We made our own rules, okay? You land on free parking, you get all the money that's underneath it, okay? I'm just saying, you do your own rules, but they kind of strict on this one. I wonder why. And I think this is the most interesting one. So they have a battle bus, sort of. So when you start in the game, you drop anywhere you want. Players take turns placing their character anywhere on the board. This makes it easier for players to spread out and try to avoid getting attacked early in the game. Fortnite Monopoly, guys. If you you want to play a modified version of Monopoly with cardboard walls and storms and put your character anywhere. Yeah, it's 15 something at Target. I'll put links below. Other places have it. I'll put whatever links I can find. Whew. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. Gift guide, part 2. Part 3 is coming soon. Way better than this, I promise. Talk to you soon. Bye!